This is Obsuna. Obsessions. I'm gonna be sharing with you my journey in packing, or in Tagalog, in my language, empake. One of the struggles, the physical struggles of moving out of the country is this packing. How are you going to put all your things into cargo box and send it to your family? At the same time, how are you going to those who are not packable? How do I say? Okay, and of no use when you're going to move out of the country. You need to sell those. So this has been my life for the past 3 days. So in fact, last night I slept at around 2 in the morning. Really. So today, what I'll show you is the sorted item of our household, and later on, I'll be calling the cargo package. Okay, and yeah, let's get it. Okay, so the first one that I'll be showing you is, first I gathered all my things. Yeah, I put all my things in a cling wrap, which I'm going to show you. This one, if you happen to see, all my cling wrap all my things are in the Ziploc. So this is how I used to pack all my things. So what I'll do is I'll do vacuum it manually. Yeah. So to save space. What else? Yeah. These are all my jackets, my hoodies. I rolled it and put it into the cling wrap. Yeah. From the towelette, all my boxer shorts. Yeah, everything that I bring to the US, I put it in this way. Yes, and I just left couple of few clothes. Yeah, loose clothes. I shall say loose clothes, which I am ready to toss. Yeah, so like the one that I'm wearing now. This is a very old clothes of mine, which I'm really wanted to to toss away at the end of our stay here. By the way, in a matter of 2-3 days, we will be leaving the country. So what I'll show you now are the household which I arrange that will go to cargo. Let's go. So look at the place now. Well, what I'm going to tell you now are, I'm going to introduce to you the different things that we have received, we have packed, we have sorted. So on this side, let me just go down. These items, these household items are for US. So these are all for the cargo in US. Of course, we have a patchy. We bought patchy. These are all toiletries that we feel expensive in US. We also got our vitamins. We also have our Instax. How do you say? Pack. Of course, all the shoes, we put it in a cling wrap also. Of course, I'm going to bring this karaoke that I have received as a present from my colleagues. What else? So these are all our professional things. We have books. These are all frames. What else? This is for my wife. Okay, so these are the soft items, all the stuffed toys. Again, we put it in a cling wrap. And of course, these are all the baby stuff that we have received. By the way, thank you so much. Really thank you so much for gifting all this for Dexby. Really thank you. These are all from our friends. Over here are the coats. Yeah. So we have also purchased weather coats, the heavy duty coat one. I hope this will not consume much of the kilos in the cargoes. Of course, all the divisor, and the organizer. In here, if you see 2 large boxes of LBC, this will go to the Philippines. So what we'll do is, and of course over there are all for trash and all. So if you happen to notice, we still have the fridge and the washing machine. The fridge is to be collected by tomorrow. We sold it for 250 dirhams, and we got a buyer. Actually, one day the buyer went here and deposited half of the amount. Same with the washing machine also. We already sold our dish organizer, so everything has been sold and all. Let me flip my cap. Yeah, so in terms of selling stuff, so before, that was my concern. How do I sell all my household? Okay, especially the big one, the fridge, the television. The television has been bought by my friend Olivia. Thank you. And some of the divider and organizer here, she bought it. So in Facebook, I went to Marketplace and I have signed up. No need to sign up. You just have to put the details of the item that you're going to sell. And then, in a matter of 2 minutes, you will be getting your seller. You will be getting your buyer in a matter of 2 minutes. Yeah. So that was really fast. And if they find that your item is really in a good condition, like almost new, most of the seller, they do come right then and then and have deposit. So I was really overwhelmed, especially with the bunk bed. We used to have a bunk bed, and we don't know also how to sell those, how to dispose all those. Yeah, but good thing that we sold it for a very cheap and reasonable price. Same with fridge. So that's the reason why I got a serious buyer. So tomorrow, Friday, they will be collected. Now, after all this, if you happen to see all my mess here, even the curtain, we have removed the curtains because we need the curtain. Okay, so those things that we think that we're going to use for a longer period of time and be used or be reused, we put it in a LBC box. These 2 extra box is to Manila. Okay, in fact, I think we will be needing an extra small box for our clothes because we still have some clothes that we wanted to send to our family to the Philippines. Now, all this are for US. We have an ABC cargo, and according to them, in 50 kg, the rate would be 24 dirham per kg. So that would be more or less 1,300. And if the kilo is getting more, you pay lesser. So I presume that this is not only 50 kg, especially with all the coats here and with all the books, because we brought an ample amount of books that we think that we will use. The book itself will really cost 15 to 20. The book itself, 20 kg plus this coats and all, that would really heavy. But I think that's light. So later I'm going to show you the cargo company when they arrive here, and hopefully we'll be able to dispose all this in a good way. Yeah, so this is one of the struggle. Really, I have mentioned that this has been my life for the past 3 days. Just last night I stayed until 2 in the morning just to clean wrap everything, because today our target is to call up the cargo company and have it shipped. you know, when you're going to send cargo to the US, it's the company who is arranging everything in the back. It's not you. So that is one of the discoveries that I have. Then all I need to do is to call them up. In fact, yesterday, they called up because we have been calling them asking for the procedure. In fact, yesterday they called up that, sir, isn't it you wanted to cargo your household thing? And I said, yes, but we are not yet ready. So we will call you in the morning, and that will be today. So yeah, that's the thing. But in terms of sending cargo to the Philippines, this LBC, they don't mind about the kilo because I think this is through cargo ship, and ABC is through air cargo ship. So that's a big difference. So it'll take 7 to 10 days for these items in America to arrive. So it's really a perfect time. So there you have it. I'm gonna be sharing with you my journey. So we are getting our household cargos. So this is the second box so far. And we still have so many more things to go. Look. All this needs to be shifted. Yeah, so we're done. We got 5 boxes and the bill is narinig nyo, ganun siya kamahal pang iPhone. Mahal talaga, okay lang, expected naman na. So nagbigay din tayo ng konting tip para kay Kuya kasi ang galing nilang mag-packaging. So, okay na kanina. Ayun na lang. Mamaya ulit. How many boxes, Kuya? 5?
5 pieces.
5 pieces. Okay. So now we're done. We already have settled the bill. Let me flip my camera. QR code. At may dala na din silang mga.
One eternity later.
Parang yung buwan. Yung tapang condition.
Pinipasok kayo po.
Pasok bago daw lang wala. Mamimili kami ng day off talaga. Kung ano yung hindi man namin sa opisina, hindi kami pwede mo sabay-sabay.
Hindi na lang.
Oo, dami pick-up doon eh. Tapos ba? 2 to 3, hindi 2 to 3 na yun, gumera pa lang yun. Eh nasa ano na kami, nasa may hungry na kami. Oo ha? Timbrihan lang muna.
Uy, ano pa?
Uy, pasensya na yung iba maalikabok, hindi ko na
Pag true friends.
Huwag nyo kami judge sa Zoom eh.
Uy, ano ba ibibigay natin sa kanila dito?
Mag-uusap kami.
Salita ay. Hindi balik-balik na lang.
Balik-balik na lang kayo. Exercise mo yan, Olivia.
Oo, tapos.